Hello, fifth grade, and welcome to our third lesson about fractions for this 8th week of distance learning. Today we're going to be continuing that same idea for the past 2 lessons of writing equivalent fractions. Yesterday we did it in lowest terms. Today we're going to be doing it the exact opposite in higher terms. Let's take a look at what that looks like. All right, so like what you learned yesterday, the denominator tells me what kind of term it is. So 2 is a lower term than 12. 2 is a lower term than 12. You know that. 12 is a bigger term. So instead of going and trying to find a smaller number on the denominator, today we're going to be trying to find a bigger number. So let's take a look at 1/2. Let's go through our chart and try to find all of the higher term fractions that equal 1/2. Let's take our straight edge and go straight down. Can third? Nope. Can fourth? Yes. How many fourths? 2/4 equals 1/2. Can fifth? Nope. Can 6? Yes. How many 6? 3/6 equal 1/2. Can 8th? Yes. How many 8ths? 4/8 equal 1/2. Can 10ths? Yes. How many 10ths? 5/10 equal 1/2. Can 12ths? Yes. How many 12ths? 6/12 equal 1/2. All right, guys. Now let's go ahead and prove it using math. If I have 1/2, how many 8ths would that be? Well, we just showed on our rainbow fraction tile that would be 4/8. But here's how we do it using multiplication. Ask yourself, 2 times what equals 8? Very good. 2 times 4 equals 8. Now, when we work with fractions, it's very important that whatever we do to the denominator, we also do to the numerator. Whatever we do to the bottom, we also do to the top. What is 1 times 4? Very good, it's 4. So, using my rainbow fraction tiles, I can prove it, and using multiplication, I can prove it, that 1/2 equals 4/8. Let's do that one more time. All right, guys, let's take a look at 6ths. What if I have 5/6? Can you tell me how many 12ths that would be? Well, let's use the rainbow fraction tiles. Let's circle 5/6. Okay, now let's take our straight edge and go straight down. How many 12ths is that? Well, let's circle them. And now let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10/12. Now let's prove it doing multiplication. 6 times what equals 12? Very good. 6 times 2 equals 12. 5 times what? Because remember, whatever you do to the bottom, you got to do to the top. 5 times 2 equals what? 10. 10/12. Is that what we got on our rainbow fraction tiles? Yes, it is. 5/6 equals 10/12. All right, fifth grade. So we learned 2 ways to find equivalent fractions in higher terms. Our rainbow fraction tiles, which you can do for most of yours, but some of your pieces of homework have higher denominators than 12, so you're going to need to do the multiplication method. Put that into practice today on your toucan fraction, we call it because there's a toucan in the corner. worksheet number 2.